Did you get tempted? You tempted? Come on, play with the ball. Come on, play with the ball. I'm waiting for him to play. To play with his mouth, couldn't he? He's chewing on it. Good boy! He likes the pink one better. Oops! There he goes! Smokey! You dropped your ball! Where's he at? He's right there. Smokey! Smokey! Gonna get on top of the bed? Come on! Good boy! You're so wound up! Yes, you are! You're so wound up! Cute little kitty who loves to play. Wait for him to do something. Oh, he's playing with the mouse. Is he really? Mm-hmm. Go, kitty, go! Play with it! Okay. Whoa! Okay, there we go. Smokey! Smokey, are you little... Owie. Let go! Let go! You little biter. You're such a little biter. Hey, let go. Smokey, come here. Smokey! Smokey! There he goes! That doesn't help. Smokey! Okay, it is a little hard to see him in here. Okay. There he is. Hi. Okay, I'm not going to tape that, so... Because he has to go to the bathroom, I guess. Alright. Alright, this is all I'm going to take for now, because I got to download the other video on. So, keep in touch. Please send me some comments if you want. But I will be expecting people to watch it, maybe if they want to. So, alright, bye.